Hey folks, welcome back to our channel Casual Fandom. It's a beautiful day outside, but it's a shame हम लोग घर पे बैठा है सब लोग. I'm Avik and I'm joined by the same three assholes as every other time, Advait, Lazar and Aditya. Today we are going to discuss the latest of the Loki episode and whatever was inside it. There were so many Easter eggs and the big mystery is about to be revealed. So let's get into it. Okay, Lazar, what did you think about this episode?
This episode was OP, overpowered in terms of all the episodes we have seen of Loki. It was pretty exciting.
ओपी का फुल मीनिंग पता है सर. Continue.
So yeah, the episode was pretty great, like compared to all other four episodes. It was very exciting. Like at the first, like from the beginning itself, the episode was exciting with lots of hidden details and lots of Easter eggs hidden. Like you can literally see it, like they were intentional or some kind of. So it was pretty good, like keeping your audience interested into the screen. It was very good, like from the beginning itself. And by towards the end, you get the real treat for like waiting all these 5 weeks for Loki. Like it was pretty good. आदित्य तेरे को कैसा लगा?
भाई मैं बोलूँ तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस अभी बहुत हाई है बेसिकली 6th एपिसोड के लिए. ठीक है, तो दैट इज द स्टेज व्हिच this episode has put us in. From the beginning, opening shot, it right, at point dealt with stuff. कोई ऐसा time pass नहीं, कुछ नहीं. It directly started with all the ruins जिसमें हमने we have spotted a lot of Easter eggs which we'll speak about, and it escalated really quick. It was funny, interesting, enthralling. मजा आ गया, बोले तो simple मजा आया.
Yes, it was fun. It was fun. Advait.
I liked the episode. I mean, it got really Marvel. It's like your regular Marvel content, जैसा, because you had a lot of action scenes. Like things were picking up really fast. As Aditya said, like things escalated quickly, which was true. But I like that they also gave some breathing room, like in between. For example, episode का बीच में where Loki and Sylvie are sitting and talking. So that was like a nice little
Warm.
change in pace, and then the build up for the next sequence. So I really like this episode. I mean, like favorite moments का बात करेंगे ना, तो I think like there is one moment which every one of us liked. I think it will be like the top moment for Loki right now, I guess, when alligator Loki bites.
that was the fun moment.
Contradictory for me, the top moment and the best moment was when old Loki enchants everything.
Yes, the old Loki OP moment in the ending.
मतलब
Glorious purpose.
First of all, Avik, तेरे को कैसा लगा? मतलब how was the episode for you?
जैसे आदित्य बोला, सिंपल भाषा में बोले तो बहुत ही एकदम मजा आ गया एपिसोड देख के. लाइक स्टार्टिंग से जब से शॉर्ट एंड ओपन हुआ, एवरीथिंग इट वाज लाइक अ राइड. लाइक सा बुलेट ट्रेन पे बैठा है, मस्त गाड़ी भाग रहा है एकदम जूम 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 जूम. आसपास का कुछ देखने को नहीं, बिकॉज देयर वर सो मेनी ईस्टर एग्स एट टाइम. यू गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, लाइक यू ट्राई टू स्पॉट है क्या, कुछ डिटेल है क्या.
You throw a stone and you find a Loki. You just throw a stone and you find the Easter egg.
कहीं पे भी फेंक दो कुछ ना कुछ. देयर इज समथिंग इन द शॉट, समथिंग इन द फ्रेम,
Every shot, yeah.
कुछ ना कुछ है उसमें. तो मतलब at times it was distracting. Like once I started noticing कि कुछ है, तो मतलब I was looking for it in every scene. तो कभी कुछ डायलॉग मिस हो जा रहा था, कुछ एक्शन मिस हो जा रहा था, तो I had to go back and rewind and फिर से वो देखना. तो ऐसा like it took a longer watch than other episodes, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ था देखने के लिए, नोटिस करने के लिए. But yeah, it was a great episode. Very fast paced, very like exactly like Marvel. Like there was a lot of action, there was comedy, there was a few somber moments, like थोड़ा emotional talk, थोड़ा soft stuff, and then again towards the end we get into the real action which is about to unfold in the next episode.
Yeah, Aditya said like the top moments in this series. Like, what was the top moment for you in this episode?
मेरा तो भाई, मैं लास्ट एपिसोड में बोला था आई वांट एलिगेटर लोकी टू बाइट द हैंड और लेग ऑफ समवन. वो देख के भाई आई एम लाइक
It was a fun moment.
I said it first. मेरा तो ये मोमेंट था, but it was a nice. And also obviously the classic Loki going all Super Saiyan and पूरा Asgard खड़ा कर दिया भाई साहब ने.
Yeah. Like, it was very epic, man. Like I didn't thought like previous MCU movies, we were not given such an idea like Loki was such a powerful sorcerer. Like, and in this episode, I was like, okay, like Frigga wasn't just a random female like Odin का ऐसा वैसा कोई पत्नी नहीं था वो, मतलब she was literally shows powerful in her magic, and she taught Loki. I mean, that impact was not shown in the rest of the MCU movies, but until now, like we got a glimpse maybe of Loki's true power, like such a beast he could be, but he's not going in that direction. He's like always, his motive was to rule and everything, but he was not going like Super Saiyan mode and everything. No, मतलब उसका वो line ही नहीं था, मतलब he was not on that.
He depends too much on trickery and backstabbing.
Yes, backstabbing, trickery, मतलब cunning,
mind games.
Yeah, mind games
and all.
Yeah, mind games and everything. But like I think he realized like you're saying to Sylvie like we ourselves do not know how much powerful we can be. So like that moment was really like a kind of a revelation for him and Sylvie, both of them, and that kind of inspired him to like go in like co-pilot with Sylvie to enchant the beast Alioth. Like that was a very powerful moment right there.
I mean, even like that old Loki story about how he escaped Thanos was like how he created a illusion which was so close to being real that even Thanos couldn't like figure it out. And he was like just a slight variation of our regular variant Loki.
Yes.
So it goes to say like how strong
Buddha had a lot of guts and. Like,
actually, this was the fan theory back in 2017.
Exactly.
You know? That time when Loki was killed, so everyone was sad after Infinity War. That movie, that first part, and people were going nuts over the internet. Like there's a shadow behind Loki jumping over the asteroids. That rocks, that debris. There's actually Loki jumping over. So this is a fake Loki. Loki hasn't died, just as usual. That part, like that fan theory part, like Loki could be like alive, like just all other three previous movies where he faked his death and audience were crying for him, and again in another movie he's coming back, and again he dies, again he comes back. So fans were like completely going mad over that, like it could be possible. And like that Loki running behind the debris, and that fan theory just made into a real canon stuff into this episode. Like that was a real fan moment. Yeah, that was pretty good thing which they included. I think the show writers might have also encountered that fan theory.
The show writer for this episode was the guy who basically writes episodes for Rick and Morty. मतलब पूरा Rick and Morty का creator is Loki का भी creator, but specifically this episode was written by one of the Rick and Morty का writers.
वो the weird purple chicken-like creatures with the floating heads and all that वो डाला था.
I mean,
the creatures were very funny, like ऐसा सर उनका ऐसा
they were like hovering, like what क्या है, pinball जैसा hover कर रहा था body. That doesn't make any sense. Just like a Rick and Morty episode.
A lot of things to talk about. यार ये episode में सब कुछ था, ठीक है. Opening shot, the Avengers Tower, which we thought is actually there are the words written over it is Kang
का tower.
Which is actually owned by अपना
Kang.
Themed or the hoped for Kang the Conqueror,
Nathaniel Richards.
And then when you see अपना Loki, Tom Hiddleston का character, first he is intrigued कि भाई चल क्या रहा है, and उसका the way he acted is amazing है.
Yes.
Like there is not a single place where you feel यार ये क्या acting कर रहा है. From the start it's amazing. वो ओलायत का beginning की यार ये ओलायत है, हम यहाँ पर और हम मरने वाले हैं, तो चल.
It was a callback from a movie. Like I have heard such a similar.
I felt it was similar to ये हम है, ये हमारी गाड़ी और हमारी पार्टी हुई.
वही exactly. मतलब उसका callback जैसा मतलब dialogue था. It was pretty good. Like the direct questions and direct answers on the face. It was very funny.
Yeah. And then when they open the shield up, तो अगर देखेगा shield के ऊपर हिंदी letters लिखे हुए हैं.
Yeah, उसपे
And then you get
मतलब उसके राइट कॉर्नर पे लिखा है एंट्री, प्रवेश द्वार ऐसे
प्रवेश
something।
द्वार।
Like
And it's very
I've
funny
seen,
when you find your foreign, people breaking down and spelling the Hindi words. Pravesh Dwar.
I saw this YouTubers breaking down stuff, and none of them like actually picked out apart from one, the New Rockstars guy. But
New Rockstars guy.
yeah,
And
but
it
I
was
have
sleeping.
I have a theory like that letter. When I first noticed such a letter on top of a latch. So first thought which just went into my mind was from this Nemo's like submarine. Do you know that Thousand Leagues Under?
Finding Nemo wala.
No, not Finding Nemo. The Nemo like from Extraordinary Legends. अबे वो वर्न का नोवेल है ना, थाउजेंड लीग्स अंडर द सी।
हाँ वो कैप्टन नीमो ना, कैप्टन नीमो।
कैप्टन नीमो
संस्कृत में रहता है उसके शिप पे।
Yes. Captain Nemo was a character was like with a Indian backstory, and he had a submarine like a steampunk kind of modern kind of submarine like in that novel. So first thing which went to my mind was that, and none of them have picked up like that. Like they were just like this is a random latch with Indian Hindi letters or written over it. But no, it could be like a Nemo, Captain Nemo reference, like going through a black hole. Sorry, not black hole. This Bermuda Triangle and coming into here. Like that was the whole kind of theory from this journey to the center of the earth, right? तो मतलब ऐसा that kind of connections ऐसा मतलब मैंने आप खुद का ही theory बना दिया ऐसा। And I was talking about this Bermuda Triangle, that USS ship Eldridge ship and other Viking era period ship like old ship वगैरह सब that could have been also from
वो एक शिप था ना उसमें with a three mast, वो कोलंबस का शिप था वो।
So I was like,
it might be from a timeline where Columbus doesn't find America or whatever
And he finds
They might
India.
have-
Or Columbus actually finds India, yeah.
they might have. I was like they might have lost in like a Bermuda Triangle or that kind of portal shit. समझ रहे मतलब कि portal है और
हाँ, but I have a question कि वो when the ship appeared, like वो किसी timeline से पूर्ण होके आया और how did it appear like right at that moment जब उनको चाहिए था?
I think that Kid Loki was doing it.
हाँ, it felt like he had a controller or something and somehow he like did something to make it appear at that point. But how can
basically that thing device which he has helps him to notice कि कब कहाँ से क्या आएगा, basically कब वो पोर्टल खुलेगा या कब वो ओलायत का ब्रांच आएगा. That's what it gets. उसको ये नहीं, वो खुद खोलता नहीं है, but he just gets transmitting ये device कि यहाँ से कुछ आने वाला है अभी या यहाँ पर कुछ खुलने वाला है, ऐसा उसको दिखता है. That is
kind of a radar.
sensory detector कि कब क्या खुलेगा.
Okay, because for one moment it seemed like उसी ने like he opened the portal and he called the ship, to sort of distract Alaya ऐसा करने के लिए.
And I was like, अगर वो खोल सकता है तो वो बाहर भी जा सकता है. So it didn't make sense for me that time. Yeah, Aditya का भी मतलब it makes sense, the radar stuff.
Advait, what would you like to point out certain things like कुछ?
I really like that one part where we saw the frog Thor,
Yes,
who was like trapped in that jar and he was trying to reach for the Mjolnir. So I think it was that वो play होता है ना, I think Ragnarok में.
नहीं. It was from a comic book storyline in which Loki Thor को कुछ खिलाता
नहीं,
है.
Ragnarok में बोलता है कि he was sorry for turning him into a frog at that time.
Yeah, वो play चलता है रे, जिसमें लोकी की acting करता है ऐसा और
Matt Damon.
हाँ, Matt Damon.
No, but
पड़े बोलता है, I'm sorry for turning you into a frog that time.
But it is actually मतलब ऐसा पूरा story है उसपे.
Yeah.
Thor becomes frog, like frog. Thor बन जाता है, frog.
That frog has a family and all that kind of shit. Like it's a pretty deep story. It's not just a fun kind of thing. Actually, it's a serious story.
It's a serious story. उसमें फिर Spider-Man helps him and all that. वो सब भी है. Like animated series है ना. Spider-Man.
Yeah.
उसमें है ये episode. Like where he turns into a frog.
Also, one like the biggest, I think the funniest Easter egg which I could find is that Thanos copter.
Yes, the Thanos copter.
It was the funniest Easter egg.
Movie.
Yeah, like after this Infinity War Thanos introduction, no. So since
हाँ वो
after that, fans were like, yeah.
Thanos copter
Yes,
वो
yes.
sword and all everything.
And
तो they मतलब
after Endgame,
rocket, let's put it in the show, like डाल देते हैं.
हाँ वही. So this was like from after that Endgame scene where Thanos blocks Iron Man's this pulsating laser like with this blade, rotating blade. People were like, this is a callback to Thanos copter and everything. But it was actually not. So
What?
yeah.
Did people really say?
Yeah, people were making this like Easter egg reference, like this is a Easter egg reference to Thanos copter.
People were reaching for it, like ज़्यादा ही सोच रहे थे.
It doesn't make
So
any
the
sense.
creators are like, fuck it, let's make it real and put it in the show. डाल दिया.
Yeah, so yeah, people were reaching for it. Yeah, people were making like Easter egg reference to that Thanos copter, but like it was like the closest ever they could get to a Thanos copter reference in MCU. But the show writers, like as I said earlier, might have taken notice of it, and they put it in just right there. Also, James Gunn also tweeted it back in 2015, 2014, which year, like he would really love to see it in MCU or something. And yeah, it came to reality. It was very fun to watch that Easter egg.
Disney का stonks will go up as they are going to sell Thanos copter. Toys.
new toy from Loki. Oh, there.
वो comic was also very comic accurate, like वो comics में जैसा उसका long tail
Yes, yellow color का.
single cabin for single pilot वैसा एकदम same to same वैसा ही बनाया था हम लोगों ने.
Same, like comic accurate जैसे ही वही.
बगल में एक बॉम्ब पड़ा था, like
हाँ, nuke. It was a nuke. I think it was a nuke or something.
It felt like a World War II era का German bomb something. तब ऐसा बड़े बड़े bombs होते थे, but they were not nukes as such.
अच्छा.
Obviously nuke won't be lying there, like कभी ना कभी फट गया होता, कुछ हो गया होता.
क्या पता वर्ल्ड वॉर 3 का न्यूक रहेगा, प्रून कर दिया रहेगा. It was not supposed to happen. Something like that.
No, I don't think like अपन ऐसा सीधा बोल सकते हैं कि ये जो realities जो मतलब अभी for example the destroyed let's say New York City that happened क्योंकि प्रून किया क्योंकि Iron Man wasn't able to save something like that. But अपन देख रहे हैं ना कि अलग अलग realities में कुछ भी हो रहा है तो उस रियलिटी में कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो ऐसा एक्चुअल जेन्युइन रियलिटीज भी रहेगा ना जिसके अंदर देयर माइट बी a Thanos copter and everything like that, जिसका कुछ और रीजन से प्रूव हुआ रहेगा वो.
मतलब he might be from the cartoon reality or something like that. I don't know because no, I don't think Thanos का पैर भी इसमें फिट होने वाला है. He won't fit in such a small helicopter. It might be some from a reality where Thanos is not like as big easy like from a cartoon version of him. And also one thing which I haven't noticed before, but after rewatching it, I noticed that the only people alive in this this whole dimension were only Loki. I didn't see any other human being.
Starting में address कर दिया था ना, we are Lokis, we are survivors. That's what
we are the
Yes.
only ones.
Yes.
We always survive. Yeah.
I was expecting some other kind of. They did a reference to this marauders, like cannibalistic marauders or something like that. I was like, okay, मतलब वो भी हैं इस dimension में, so they should also like make a reveal or something. But no, it was completely Loki. So like the point, like Loki survives. They're like trying to like establish that point.
एकदम
और बाकी सबको अलग obviously खा गया होगा तब तक
Yes,
because
yes.
Loki is practically god,
God.
so they might be surviving. Mobius थोड़ी देर पहले ही टपका, and the गाड़ी the car which he was driving is actually, if you see any Pixar Disney movies, you find a pizza car and the plate mentions Grinworld, something like
GR and W1D.
yes, it's dedicated to one of the writers of Marvel comics.
Mobius
Lightning McQueen himself was driving the car.
that was a nice touch. मतलब they were like कि करते करते ये भी
कच्चा.
Disney पिक्चर को देखी इसमें तो अब सब मजा करने वाले हैं.
Also, this Living Tribunal Easter egg, guys. I didn't see it first. Like वो Allied और Loki fight का मतलब उस टाइम के बीच में था. I didn't notice it first. Like I was on rewatching, like oh my god, that's actually Living Tribunal. And I was like, actually, is it his head? Like it's a shock to see Living Tribunal right there, right? Because he's a like really big cosmic being. So उसका head like severed head like on a this dimension. Like it didn't make any sense because such a powerful cosmic being, he was prone. So Avik said it was like a statue or something.
That's what it seemed like ना, मतलब कि the living tribunal itself is a watcher of the multiverse. Like वो भी he is also in
he's a judge or something like that.
हाँ, he is a judge ना, exactly. So उसको I don't think there is any way he would be pruned. Like maybe it's just a relic or something. कोई statue बनाया रहेगा किसी कहीं पे, वो
Yeah.
somehow it got into the whatever
Yes. That makes
actual and the whatever the actual thing pruned, तो वो तो dead हो गया होगा ना. Like he might be dead. How would he turn into a stone? Medusa थोड़ी है भाई कोई.
और दूसरा वो लिविंग ट्राइब्यूनल कैसा है? अभी वो मरा हुआ है तो वो तो डेड ट्राइब्यूनल.
Oh.
Just the tribunal.
लिविंगेंट.
एक shot है Kid Loki is there, तो उसमें बगल में there is a whole mound of trays from TVA.
Oh yeah. I mean,
Correct. वो पूरा
पूरा ट्रेस का पहाड़ है. लाइक सब वो ट्रेस फेंकता नहीं है, वो डिस्पोज करके इधर भेज देते हैं वो लोग.
Exactly.
and one fan noticed like it is actually from TVA and there is a proof right there because उनका जो बोका जूस.
हाँ, कार्टन उसका वो पड़ा रहता है
Yeah,
उस जूस का.
मतलब एक चीज नोटिस किया जब when Lokis are fighting, our Loki is so disappointed like
क्या चल रहा है?
We are hopeless. अपन ऐसा ही
What
है.
did you guys think of the other Loki का stories like?
Oh, मतलब बहुत सारे थे. एक
he gave 4 Loki का story. I was happy in that itself.
oh that Kid Loki का story, man. I was like, what the fuck? Where did he killed Thor? Like what? How? Like
Oh, अरे मतलब he might not. So as per one
बचपन में कर दिया
हाँ, वही मतलब खेल के
one
बीच में कर रहे.
story, he says that I killed Thor, which he actually means that he was not able to save Thor. वो एक story के हिसाब से he gets entrapped into a Kid Loki's form, and Thor is trying to protect him, and they are in a war where Thor dies and Loki is not able to save him. So there is one version of that. Other version is what people are theorizing कि that story जो Ragnarok में he बोलता है he turns into snake and he
Snake.
stabs him
Yeah.
time पे. So two versions of it.
That the second version seems more feasible. He would definitely
Because
stab
actually
Thor.
if they are introducing all the younger people, right?
Yeah.
So in future we'll get young Avengers in which I guess Kid Loki will be a part.
Young Avengers.
Also, did you guys also notice that Hydra shield carrier, like helicarrier, like
I knew इसका इसका शिप जो Guardians of Galaxy में आता है ना.
वो dark Castle, that was there. Also,
रोनिन का शिप वो तो
Yeah.
बहुत ही विजिबल था. लाइक इट
Yeah, that
वाज
was
blatantly lying in the background.
Also, there was a shield helicarrier. So first of all,
हाँ,
no,
देर था उसमें हाइड्रा का सिंबल था.
Hydra का
वो
symbol था. It was not that
Just-
easily visible. Like I
हाँ,
pressed it and
जूम करके देखना पड़ता
yeah,
है तब.
there's a red logo kind of thing, but I couldn't actually make it completely as a Hydra logo. That seemed like it.
It might be from a reality where वो उनका
Project Insight.
हाँ वो
Hit हो गया रहेगा.
Yeah.
कुछ वो हो गया रहेगा तो फिर प्रूव कर दिया उन लोग को.
Yes.
What about the Polybius game?
Oh, that actually I didn't know anything about it until I watched the Easter eggs, and the real conspiracy theory behind it seems very dark. Like it feels like a Tron Legacy spin-off movie kind of thing. A Polybius conspiracy theory.
कौन सा? Like I don't know about this.
So basically there was a conspiracy in 1972 or 5. क्या
हाँ याद आया.
The thing,
हाँ.
the fact is, people were claiming that there is a game called Polybius. Okay, so it's like a Mandela effect. There are a lot of people who know that they have played a game, ठीक है, but in actuality it does not exist. So उस टाइम पे लोगों ने theorize किया कि Polybius CIA ने ऐसा गेम बना के रखा था. It's like क्या you know तुम्हारा गेम सेंटर्स में जाके तुम गेम खेलते हो, राइट? जैसा कंप्यूटर कैफे, ऐसे गेम कैफे में
आर्केड्स वगैरह में आर्केड में गेम था. So it was sort of CIA was testing some mental manipulation and mind erase, मतलब माइंड से मेमोरीज इरेज करने का समथिंग ऐसा कुछ वो टेस्ट कर रहे थे सर. Using the game and people, the kids playing it as subjects, test subjects.
Stranger Things
Damn.
stuff. Straight out of Stranger Things. Also, there was like मतलब dinosaur का हड्डी किसी ने देखा क्या? There was like skeletons of a dinosaur. I thought it
Huh?
was dinosaur. Yeah, but actually I think like the size of being it like a dinosaur.
I noticed there's a skeleton, giant skeleton. There was a lying around, but कुछ ऐसा फॉर्म नहीं दिख रहा था कि guess what
मतलब ऐसा proper form नहीं था. I think they were like Leviathans. मतलब from Avengers first movie. They were
Yeah. It wasn't a skeleton. So it was the Leviathan का वो like body पड़ा था.
Yeah, body. Yeah.
Like it's like twisted.
A lot of skeletons also, look, बहुत ऐसा डायनासोर वेस्टलैंड में पड़ा रहता है ना ऐसा.
Skeletons रहेगा. I mean like ये लोग लोकी लोग कुछ तो खाता रहेगा ना वहाँ पे.
You're saying they're running around and hunting dinosaurs and fighting meat like. Also they were.
अरे एक डायनासोर मारा तो कितना 2-4 महीना चल जाएगा उनका मस्त ऐसा स्टोरेज से किया तो.
Also, did you guys like the characters, the new Loki characters? Boastful Loki, Kid Loki, President Loki.
बोस्टफुल
favorite तो-
ज्यादा फोकस नहीं किया, लाइक वो थोड़ा सा ही था वो स्पॉटलाइट में फॉर अ लिटिल व्हाइल. फिर
Until he betrays.
हाँ, until he betrays and फिर मार देते हैं उसको.
I really like this President Loki character because he brought in a perspective ऐसा कि so our variant Loki जैसा था ना before TV and
हाँ.
everything, he was like that only, like so we
Yes,
could see
like वो
a-
before seeing his own death जो था लोकी, he is the same.
yeah.
Also, boastful Loki का मतलब for me, even if the time that like the screen time was less, but the actual boastful Loki, like he was completely boasting from the 0.0 seconds. Like if you look at his eye expressions and like his face while talking, so he was like any boastful person would do that. Like he was talking like that, completely ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं, सब बड़ा बात करते हैं ऐसा बैठ के, ऐसा मतलब मैंने उसको मारा, इसको मारा,
फेंक रहा था.
yeah, वही exactly posting. So like to that part I think he like played a very good role, like convincing me like as a boastful Loki. And like the President Loki as like in the comics जैसे cunning है, like that same kind of character I felt from him. And the biker Loki, punk Loki, lots of Lokis were there.
अरे एक लोकी था ना who had made his own horns.
हाँ, अपने बाल से ही अपना हॉर्न बना लिया था वो.
Trickster Loki. He was also like shown in before, like in episode 3 or 2, like showing what all kinds of Loki were there, and he was that projected Loki in that hologram.
I also had thought कि the alligator Loki would have something to do with Frog Thor. I didn't know like the backstory or whatever.
It would be very
MC.
nice.
But I thought कि कुछ तो experiment must have gone wrong and ये दोनों के दोनों ऐसा animals बन गए रहेंगे.
Oh, that sounds cool. Yeah. Also, like, did you guys notice? Some fan noticed like Lokis are frost giants, so they basically don't get cold or something. And suddenly, when Loki was sitting with Sylvie, he started to feel cold, and and he pulled out a number like, "Oh, ठंड लग रही है, jacket चाहिए क्या?" And he pulled out this blanket all over her, and they were like snuggling right in like between that. It's a very cute moment.
How to make soft things hard.
And वो सिल्वी also did not say anything. वो भी like हाँ ठीक है चलेगा.
She was going on.
Let's have a moment.
सब लोगों को एक साथ ही सेक्स चढ़ता है bro.
It is very cute moment. I like it.
Cute.
Yeah.
Which was very emotional and good was when Mobius says we'll see you again करके and Loki 2 सेकंड के लिए देखे he hugs him and says
That was really nice.
Yeah, that was very nice.
Bro moment.
Bro moment.
Like Loki
Bro moment.
just made a friend, good friend.
yeah, मतलब मजा आ गया वो वाला सीन देखने के बाद. लगता है कि हाँ अपना लोकी थोड़ा बदल गया अभी, जिसने पूरा देख लिया कि
बड़ा हो गया बच्चा.
बड़ा हो गया बच्चा.
Mature.
तो तुम लोग को क्या लगता है अभी, तुम लोग का थियरीज क्या है, हाउ व्हाट इज इट गोइंग इनटू एंड व्हाट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट, क्या लगता है?
I have no theories, so you guys can go on.
Also,
तो ओवरव्यू दे, थियरी नहीं है तो ओवरव्यू दे कि हाउ यू फेल्ट अबाउट इट एंड एंड में देखो क्या मतलब.
What would you like to see? Like क्या चाहिए तेरे को?
expect.
To be honest, I don't want to see anything because expectations रखेगा,
Yes.
the high hopes रखेगा, then you know something like Falcon and the Winter Soldier will happen. So
भाई स्टार्टिंग से अपने को पता था it's going to be a sort of not such a good show, but this has been really good ना, like पूरा.
yeah, I'm still not keeping any expectations. I'm gonna see like what they have for us. I'm just gonna go along with it, like ride on the, like let them take me for a ride. ऐसा.
मेरा खुद पर्सनल तो ऐसा कोई थियरी नहीं. लाइक आई सेड कि कैंग का वो दे कैन डू दैट, बट आई डाउट करेंगे वो, लाइक मतलब एक्चुअल कैंग को नहीं बुलाएंगे, जैसे समय भी उसका रेफरेंस या कुछ कर सकते हैं. बट अदर देन दैट हाँ मैं भी आई डोंट हैव एनी थियरी ऑफ माइंड, बट ऐसा उस पर फैन थियरीज वगैरह पढ़ा है, बहुत सुना है कि बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. लाइक देयर इज वन थियरी गोइंग अराउंड कि when both of the Lokis are finally enchant Alioth, and वो Sakul, the thing opens up in front of them and they see the castle and stuff. तो उसमें सामने एक एस्ट्रॉइड ऐसा हवर करके जाता है.
Yeah.
So there's a fan theory that the classic Loki, when
Yes.
he did not die and he instead cast himself as a like illusion. It was another illusion, and he is the actual mastermind behind all of this. And like जब वो जाएंगे तो they will find him being the
Main guy behind the curtain.
and behind all of this charade. So
Very impressive.
this would be fun. Also वो भी
I really wouldn't. When it comes to expectation, मैं एक चीज बोला. I don't want the like whoever it is behind all of this. I don't want them to be Loki. It would be थोड़ा ज़्यादा predictable and too narcissistic of a show. Everything is Loki.
हालांकि लोकी के ऊपर शो है तो सभी कुछ लोकी नहीं करना चाहिए ना. कुछ somebody else कुछ करना चाहिए. सब कुछ लोकी, like Loki is the good guy, he is the bad guy.
जैसा अजय बोला ना, अगर एंड में सिर्फ लोकी अगर देखता है बिहाइंड एवरीथिंग, थोड़ा ऐसा वो स्टंक्स नीचे की तरफ गिरेगा थोड़ा. बट देन बिकॉज देख, मेरा दिल चाहता है कि कैंग को लेके जाए, बट बीइंग एमसीयू ऑब्वियसली मफिस्टो की तरह इसका आना मुश्किल है. तो एटलीस्ट आई वांट देम टू ब्रिंग अ कैरेक्टर व्हिच इज लाइक something related to, like अगर वो the one वाला या क्या elder one something,
The one who remains.
The one who remains.
it can be that, or they can show कि older Loki itself was somehow becomes the one who remains or something like that. But अगर तुम लोकी दिखाना भी चाहते हो कि लोकी ही है इन सबके पीछे, I want कि at least they give a good back story behind it and some strong point. But इतना ही है. If you have given so many Easter eggs about Kang, ना कहीं it should converge in Kang, बस उतना ही. But let's see, as Adit said, expectation नहीं है. जितना 4th 5th में दिया काफी था, 6th में भी अच्छा राइड पे लेके जाएंगे तो I'll be glad. Mephisto
Like हाँ, like इतना सेटअप किया, इतना अच्छा हो गया, तो इसको कंक्लूड अच्छे से करो. Don't fuck it up.
हाई
Like
लेवल पे कहीं भी छोड़ दिया ना तो ठीक रहेगा. I'll be much happier. Not expected.
For me, I don't think the ending will have Kang reveal anywhere close to like being him out there. Like there would be a direction, like a kind of like giving the audience a direction towards it. Like the Kang is behind this guy, who is behind this guy. Like समझ रहे हो ना, मतलब it will be a connecting level thing. So there won't be a direct Kang over there. It could be something like connecting to him or something like that. Like a second villain in this the main villain, and so like that I don't think keeping any big hopes for the ending is always like a terrible thing to do. Suffered with it in WandaVision, in Falcon Winter Soldier, Black Widow, and
Falcon Winter Soldier में कुछ था नहीं bro, वो सिर्फ प्लेन था, वैसा ही गया. मैं कुछ एक्सपेक्ट किया भी नहीं था Falcon Winter
yeah, like
Soldier.
I was like pretty traumatized by the Bonner joke, so I was not keeping any big hopes, but that power broker thing like was the thing which is going around by the end. So I knew it would be a bummer to hook onto that, but yeah, I was expecting that, so it was not such a big deal. So also for Loki, so I would request my fans, so the fellow MCU fans, to not keep any high hopes for the end. So keep it low, so you'll get some big thing coming for you. So if you keep your hopes high, you will be devastated and crying over the bed for the next one.
There's a chance you could be like ऐसा सीधा बोल मत कि you will be. ऐसा भी हो सकता है, they might meet someone's expectation, but like it's better not to hope very high. Also like एक चीज, when you guys are talking about the living tribunal का वो thing and everything, so if in case it was indeed like living tribunal, so comics में the only thing that is more powerful than the living tribunal is the one above all, like the supreme like being who created everything. तो ऐसा मतलब what if वो TVA के वो कासल वासल में अगर वो भी रह सकता है,
I don't think so.
इतना पावरफुल वो लोग नहीं करेगा ना.
No fucking way. If they're not going to bring the gang,
too much out of character, like वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही out of the box हो
I
जाएगा
think
to show.
it will come in future. picture like in phase 10 or phase 15 or something. इतना जल्दी
जब अपन लोग खुद void में रहेगा तभी।
Yeah, by the time we will be 50 or 60s by the end of the MCU. So by time like it will be like much more logical ना, मतलब सब Earth based सबसे लड़ के like leveling up like in a game. So it would like that's the reason why I think bringing Kang just now would be such a dumb decision to make. So because of that, like the leveling up should be like gradual. Suddenly एक अचानक सा सुपर पावर विलेन नहीं आना चाहिए. So
नहीं वो सुपर पावरफुल विलेन नहीं रहेगा, मतलब व्हाट आई मेंट टू से वाज लाइक देयर माइट बी समथिंग टू डू विद हिम, ऐसा कुछ टीज कर सकते हो लोग लाइक
They should at least
ऑल पावरफुल सुप्रीम बीइंग और समथिंग
not कि इसका ही villain because Kang is to be Quantumania में आने वाला है. हाँ, येलो जैकेट का हेलमेट बोलना भूल गया. Which again this guy येलो
ओ
जैकेट.
ये येलो जैकेट का हेलमेट पड़ा था।
He'll be again reprising his role in Quantumania.
मतलब confirmed है कि it was a rumor or something like that.
Confirmed है.
Oh. So he didn't die.
No, he didn't die. He also get
वो
disappeared.
मरा नहीं ना, he also just वो क्वांटम वर्ल्ड में
तो
disappear हो गया ना।
वो क्रश हो गया था, मतलब उसका हाथ पाव सब क्रश होके निकल गया था. He was crushed into oblivion. And
अरे वो मूवी का स्टार्टिंग में आएगा साइक बोलेगा और फिर मूवी स्टार्ट आएगा।
You thought I was dead? Haha,
come
lol.
on, what did you expect?
Also तुमने वो देखा क्या वो स्पिंक्स का वो इजिप्शियन स्पिंक्स वो पड़ा था,
Only reason why this Sphinx was pruned because उसका नाक था.
उसका नाक था। Also all seriously there was a like वो जब वो पूरा लैंडस्केप शो करते हैं तो उसमें दे शो किया एक लाइट हाउस करके, एक लाइट हाउस भी है which was a wonder of the ancient world, और एक और कुछ भी ऐसा था वो गार्डन्स ऑफ बेबीलोन करके भी था। तो उनका क्या स्टोरी है
नहीं
लाइक
Gardens of Babylon was in this Eternals trailer में.
हाँ तो उसमें लाइक उसका वो इसमें था लाइक द रूइंस ऑफ इट वाज शोन हियर इन द शॉर्ट समवेयर।
अरे उन लोग को एक ऐसा इंडियन ऐसा ईस्टर एग भी डालना चाहिए, जैसे कुछ ब्लैक ताजमहल और सम शिट लाइक दैट।
Oh,
ताजमहल
that would be cool.
डाल देते हैं।
Oh, that would be
कुछ
so
डाल
damn.
देते हैं
Yeah.
लाइक कि ताजमहल गॉट टू पोल्यूटेड एंड वाइट से ब्लैक हो गया।
No, so there
नहीं,
was some
नहीं।
original plan of making of
Yeah,
constructing Black Taj
Black
Mahal,
Taj
so
Mahal, yeah.
उसका वैसा।
It didn't come
Oh.
true because like by the time he was in jail, that Shah Jahan, his son put him in jail. So after that he was not able to complete the Black Taj Mahal. It was like directly parallelly opposite to the White Taj Mahal, like both sitting together apart from the river. River के इधर white, river के उधर black. It was supposed to be like that. So that didn't come true because he died early.
What did you guys think about that? So when Sylvie was talking to Loki and like she was asking him like, would you betray me like after all of this is over? Like I don't know. I felt this as a small Loki fear that he, you know, actually might end up betraying her. I don't know. Like I have this uneasy feeling.
Yes.
हाँ सेम मेरे को भी अच्छा लगा कि लाइक he might not be doing it that moment but once things end खत्म उसके बाद he might मतलब कुछ दिमाग में आएगा उसके and he might do it at that moment, like he's not planning to betray now maybe currently but being Loki like कुछ ऐसा दिमाग में खटका उसके and then he like betrays her at the end.
If they do that, वो character development के लिए बहुत poop हो जाएगा।
Yeah.
खराब character
I
development.
mean, they could put him in a like a tight situation whether he wants to betray. Like he has a very good chance to get away with it, but he would like choose not to betray and go.
फिर ये तो How I Met Your Mother की तरह ending बहुत खराब हो जाएगा अच्छा series का. I don't want
वही।
to screw good development of this guy.
वही तो hopes मत रखो.
अब तक the entire अगर तू fourth देखेगा and fifth देखेगा, you can see literally Loki getting the shock of reality कि वो कितना बड़ा था, ठीक है? For example, कितना था जब when he gets hit by Sif, तभी उसको बार बार realization होता है, and जब Mobius sacrifice करता है अपने आप को तब all the time he gets to analyze and go into a retrospect कि भाई उसने actually अपने close ones को बहुत दूर किया अपने आप से ये सब करके, and he would not want to do that again because at the end उसके पास कुछ रहेगा नहीं, he will be living the same life, and that is evident when he sees the Loki fight and he's like yeah क्या, so I guess वो वापस नहीं होगा, but again in the end I feel they will again bring a Loki as a villain which I don't want to see, but
Yeah, so guys, that's all for episode 5 of Loki. So like write down your comments on how you felt about this episode, and yeah, see you next week with the finale of episode 6 and Loki. Yeah, till then, bye.